A quick one, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp chat from your Android phone to your iPhone. So it doesn't matter whether you are using a new iPhone or an old iPhone, or whether your iPhone is running on the latest iOS 17 or the older version, this trick is going to work for you. So the first thing you want to do when you want to transfer WhatsApp chat from Android phone to your iPhone is to first go to the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Go to Play Store and make sure you update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So just search for WhatsApp. Once you search for that, tap on the update button to update the WhatsApp to the latest version. The essence is this: updating the WhatsApp to the latest version will ensure that your WhatsApp has the latest feature to transfer chat from Android phone to iPhone without Google Drive. So literally before you can transfer WhatsApp chat from iPhone to Android or from Android to iPhone, you need to back up your WhatsApp chat to Google Drive and then transfer it to your iPhone or Android using the restore button. But in this case, you can easily transfer the chat from your Android to your iPhone without Google Drive. Now, once you've updated your WhatsApp Messenger app on your Android phone, tap on the open button, unlock it if you have seen a lock code, then tap on the profile icon at the top right and tap on settings. So once you click on settings, scroll down until you get to chat, select chat, and then you want to scroll down again and tap transfer chat. Once you're on the page that asks you to transfer chat history to either Android phone or iPhone, then go to your iPhone and go to App Store. While on the App Store, you want to tap on the search button at the bottom right, then search for WhatsApp. So you need to download WhatsApp New on your iPhone and tap the download button or the button to get the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. So wait for the WhatsApp app to download, and while the WhatsApp app is downloading on your iPhone, you want to go to your Android phone and tap start button. Once you hit the start button, you'll be prompted to turn on location on your Android. Tap on continue, enable location, then come back and tap the continue button. Enable this, then come back. You'll be prompted to enable location and enable Wi-Fi. And here is it. You'll be prompted to download WhatsApp on your new phone, register with the same phone number, and use this to scan the QR code shown on your new phone. Now, once you've downloaded the WhatsApp Messenger on our iPhone, we need to register on this iPhone with the same phone number that we are using on our Android phone. Once you have successfully downloaded and installed the WhatsApp Messenger app on your iPhone, tap on the open button. And once you tap on the open button, do not forget download on your new phone, register with the same phone number, tap agree. Then you may allow notification or not. Then here you are prompted to register with the same phone number. So I'm just going to go ahead now to type in my phone number in which I want to transfer the chat from my Android phone to my iPhone. Then you can see retrieving data. Is this phone number correct? Yes. If it is not correct, tap on the editing button to correct the phone number. And there is it, waiting for the code. Tap this code. So you can see validating code. So this might take a couple of seconds depending on your internet. Now the next thing is use this to scan the QR code shown on the new phone. So we are waiting for the QR code. Then tap your name at the dot. Tap done. Once you type in your name, then you may allow. That is it. Your chat will move from your Android phone to your iPhone. Mark you not instantly see all your chat from your Android phone on your iPhone like this. But you should see this message that says your phone is no longer registered with WhatsApp on this phone. This might be because you register it on another device. So once you click on login, you will be logged out of this device completely. Like this, on your Android phone, you say loading. You'll be logged out of your Android phone completely. You can just tap on the agree button and follow suit to create a new WhatsApp account on this phone. And on your iPhone, if you go to your WhatsApp update, like this, you should see all the features you have on your Android. And if you come to chat and tap on this plus icon, you should see all your WhatsApp contact here. So this might take a couple of seconds to complete the loading. And once it has completely loaded your chat, you have access to all your messages from your Android phone on your iPhone. So this is the simplest way you can use to transfer chat from Android to an iPhone without using Google Drive backup. So guys, if this is helpful, you want to hit the like button, of course, and want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.